You don't want your chain punches to look like this. This is awful.
Rollin', 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 rollin'.
You want to think of your forearm like a gun. You want to point the forearm, the barrel of the gun, towards your goal, towards the target. And the target is always the center line of the other person. So when you're doing your chain punch, make sure everything is going forward when you're doing your chung choi. So point the barrel of your gun. Make sure it's going right into the target. Keep it level. The more it's level, the more you're going to where you want to go. Now notice how the hand comes higher, but the forearm can stay level as it goes. There are times to dip it down and do certain other things at times. But for the most part, point, basically, have this be your pointer going exactly where you want to go. And then the power of the elbow gets taken out here more. Very similar to a jump action or even a tan or a fuke action. They're all this deflective energy. Separate energy should not be here where you're pressing down. If you get yourself here and someone presses on your woo, you're going to have to try to use your tricep to extend this down, which is bringing a downward energy. You don't want that. Just start pressing or start pointing already the barrel of your gun where you're going, and then you can deflect as you go through. And always shooting for the tube, shooting through a tube as you're going. And the sides of their energy can flow right away from where you're going as you stay nice and precise towards your goal. So stay level as you extend. Staying level really, really helps until you need to transition to something else. But when you transition, go ahead and get right on back to this levelness as well. Until next time, I'm Adam Willis. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you can be notified as new videos appear. Thanks.
Rollin', 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 rawhide.
Rollin', 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 though the streams are swollen.